When I'm in the middle of a forest, nothing whisks me away to the cool ocean breeze of California than Blind Barber Sea Salt Spray.
So we're here in Blind Barber checking out all the products they have and how the bar has inspired a whole product line that is amazing, unique, and good for you. Let's check it out.
Wake up in the morning and you're gonna wash your face. You can start with like one pump of the face cleaner and you can just get a really nice morning wake up. Since it has juniper berries, which is what you find in gin, it has like a nice tingling feeling that wakes you up, and it has a nice water mint, which is it smells really good. Then we have the styling creams, which if whatever hair texture you have, wherever you're from, whatever, we have something that covers those bases. So like we were explaining before, everything is tied to the bar. So if you look at the numbers here, it'll say a different 90 proof, 60, 40, and 151. And if you think about it as an alcohol, 151 would be like a shot of whiskey, whereas a 40 proof would be like a glass of wine. The 90 proof is one of my favorites because it has hops, which if you believe it or not, is the same thing that you make beer out of. We actually have it in our pomades. And that is really great because it gives it the thickening agent. So it's very natural and it doesn't feel too oily. So the sea salt spray, which is one of my favorites, is that base and primer that you can use to spray in your hair and give it the same effect like you went to the beach. And you got out the water, your hair looks really cool. It has a little bit of that grit. So all these products that I've mentioned are just perfect to cover all the bases for whatever grooming needs you need for yourself and for anybody of one of your loved ones. Share.
Click on the video, subscribe, follow us so that you can stay local, go global. This is VanBassador.